Welcome to Sushi Blue. My name is Jacob Talbert. I'm the head sushi chef here, and I've created a really amazing menu that really showcases my experience. I've been doing sushi for 20 years, and I'm gonna make a really fun roll today. It's one of my favorites, called the rocket roll. And we're gonna start with this fresh Hawaiian ahi. So the first thing we're gonna do is cut the bloodline out. So by doing that, you wanna make sure you get all the black out of the tuna. And this is what keeps the tuna staying fresh. We cut that out. Then we're gonna cut the sakadoris, which is basically the loins that we will cut for the sushi case. So I usually cut the top cut. So then I'm just gonna cut this down. Make sure you get all the pieces. And then this bottom part of the tuna is usually just used for the inside of rolls like spicy tuna or tekimakis. Make sure our cutting board is nice and clean still. So we're gonna save this piece for the topper of the rocket roll. All right, we're gonna put this in the case. Now we can start making the roll. Now we're gonna make our nori with the rice. This is our maki soup wrapped in cellophane. And the first thing you wanna do is put your nori rough side up, facing up. So I get a ball of rice. And then the idea is you go from corner to corner, open it up. So I'll go to the top corner and then I'll spread it around. Do the same. Make sure you spread it out pretty evenly, like so. Flip it over. And then you put your tempura shrimp inside, in the middle. And then I'm gonna take some cucumber, like so. So then you're gonna roll it from one side and make sure you tuck all the edge of the rice in so you have this flat open. And once you've got it to that point, you just continue rolling like so. And then you can take your mat, your maki soup, and just give it a good squeeze. When you squeeze, you just squeeze with your fingertips. So that's the first part of the roll done. Now, we're gonna take our fresh ahi, we'll cut that. You always wanna cut it at an angle, like so. And we'll just put that on top. We're gonna take some avocado, like so. All right, now we take another piece of saran wrap. This is ancient Japanese secrets. Put it over the top like so. And then you have another maki soup mat, which is your bamboo mat. And this is what you do to put over the saran wrap. Because if you put the sticky cellophane one, it'll just take the plastic off. Now, you always want to make sure you dip whatever knife you're using into some water. And that helps the knife cut without getting caught in the plastic wrap. All right. Then you take your cellophane wrap, and this will take the plastic wrap off. Now, get your plate. I love this roll because me being a huge fan of Mexican food trucks, taco trucks, this is kind of like my fusion of that, eating shrimp, tacos, and all that good stuff. A bunch of flavors combined, a little citrus, some herb oil, and then a little spice with the jalapeno that's gonna go on top. And then we're gonna put some citrus aioli. All right. A little fresh herb oil that we make all the sauces in-house. So this is one of our favorite oils that we make. It's got garlic, green onion, cilantro, jalapeno, and we blanch it all and then we blend it, strain it, and it makes this beautiful green oil. So then the last thing you do before you put the ponzu on, which is the citrus soy, is we give it a sear. And the sear brings out that really nice jalapeno flavor with the citrus. All right, so once you get to here, I put a little bit of sprouts on top. A little bit of sesame seeds. And then finished with a little black pepper ponzu. And this is the rocket roll. One of my favorite rolls here at Sushi Blue. We're open 7 days a week, 5 o'clock. Come down and check us out.